Traineeships Learner of the Year Engagement. Jack Lloyd Ellis. Jack Ellis has overcome many barriers to find a job he loves and where he could develop his skills through a traineeship engagement program. The 18-year-old from Carnarvon left school with no qualifications, but enrolled on a 16-week traineeship through learning provider Grŵp Llangrithlo Menai. He secured a 4-week placement with Ross Hughes Flooring, who realised his potential from day one and recognised his commitment and willingness to learn in a work environment where he thrives. Tamsin Austin. 18-year-old Tamsin Austin from Llangefni was bullied at school for years and suffered confidence issues that resulted in her leaving with no qualifications. After leaving school, Tamsin was left with anxiety issues and low self-esteem. However, through Grŵp Llangrithlo Menai, she enrolled on a traineeship engagement program for team building and motivation, and week by week, staff have seen the difference in her personal development. Saffron Tanuki. Aged only 10, Saffron Tanuki was taken into the care of her aunt and uncle, and she was left with confidence issues as her schooling suffered. The 18-year-old from Ponta de Lais started to rebuild her life and enrolled on a performing arts course at Coleg Cigar in Llanelli. She then took up a traineeship placement through the college with a children's play centre, where she flourished in both organising and performing at parties. This experience led to an audition and a dream job with Butlins.